Are you ready to make your saber for good or dark? Well, join me today as we print some lightsaber hilts. See you guys inside. Hello and welcome to today's video. As today is May the 4th as I am releasing this video, well, it's May 4th. May the Force be with you. And with that, we are going to print 6 different lightsabers today. So, a little bit different than how we do the videos normally. No Kira today. We're not even going to touch it. So this is going to be prints, time lapses, assembly, and final printed project. Now, as you can see with the Darksaber, I have started working on darkening the blade. I'm using some acrylic transparent paint to give a light darkening, because I want this outer edge to stay light, but I want the blade to be dark, but still have that grayishness as it goes to the light. So I'm playing with a few paints on this one. But as you can see in my hand, yes, the Darksaber. We're going to touch on Obi Wan's lightsaber from episode 1 and 2. Keyword 1 and 2. We're looking at Rey's final lightsaber at the end of the final movie. Kylo Ren's lightsaber, of course, you got to touch on that one. Darth Vader's and Luke's. So we're going to hop over to getting those printed and assembled one by one. So enjoy the good music and all of that. Like I said, it's a little different, but stick around for Friday's video after this. I know Revenge of the Sith is on the 5th, but I'm holding that back till Friday. So definitely check out the video on Friday for something that is definitely part of the Empire and the Republic's Grand Army. So stick with us. Sub, make sure you get notified when Friday's video comes out so you can see that. But keyword there, sub. If you enjoy the content on this channel, interested in 3D printing or anything of that type, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join our crew. We are now cruising to almost 1,800 subscribers strong and over 1,300 followers over on Instagram. So thanks for everybody that's followed or subbed. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions about 3D printing or any of these models or anything like that, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's going on. If you're curious about where these models came from, links are in the description. So all that information is there so you can go print your own. So, some key points. Most of these can be easily printed with a printer like an Ender 3. I use mainly CR10s to do mine because I can do a lot of pieces really quickly. So, that's one of the things that the CR10s give me is I've got 4 of them in the shop now. I can print really fast and do a lot of prints really quick. But the one on the 5th, or my revenge video coming out on Friday, definitely keep in mind it is completely printable on an Ender 3. And it is big. So definitely catch up with that. And also, if you guys don't mind, share the content around to your friends. Anybody you know is interested in Star Wars, 3D printing, or making stuff of their own, cosplay, any of that kind of stuff, definitely share this one out. So let's hop over. Let's get started with the first lightsaber hilt. Now, keyword, most of these are hilts. This is the only one I did with a blade. So if you want to see different color transparent blades, we can do something along that line. Actually quite easy with some PETG that I have. But let me know in the comments if you want me to make some blades for some of these. So let's get to that first lightsaber. Alright guys, these are all the finished products. So you got Obi Wan's, you got Rey's, you got Kylo, you got Luke's, and you got Darth Vader, and you've got the Darksaber, which the Darksaber, like I said, I did print the blade on it. The model maker sent a blade with it. This is supposed to be collapsible, but I made a mistake, so mine doesn't collapse, so it's going to be a nice shelf piece, especially with me painting out this blade. I've been using some golden transparent gray to kind of do that. I use natural inland PLA to actually print it, but as you can see, I haven't done anything color-wise to that. I haven't even actually touched any of these with paint. Obi Wan's was made with silver silk, so that's why I've got the nice shine to it. Haven't even touched it with an inch of paint. Basically just need to add some black to it and gold. I don't have to do a lot to this lightsaber, other than if you guys want to see a blade printed for it. Rey's was a little bit more work. Definitely the assembly was a lot harder. This model maker actually makes a stand that you can put with this. I did do some painting on some internal parts that I won't be able to get to since I assembled it, but all in all, it's a pretty nice one. I need to get some fabric, wrap the handle, and give it its look. Kylo's was pretty straightforward all the way around. I do have a lot of painting and cleaning up to do on his, but all in all, it's a pretty fantastic model, and I made it a little heavier than I should have, so it's got some weight to it. Luke's, pretty simple, it's pretty straight basic. This is the Return of the Jedi version, so just putting that out there. And then of course Darth Vader's lightsaber, so make sure putting that out there. This is Darth Vader's, not Anakin's, so while it's in black you can't see a lot of detail. It is actually a very highly detailed model, and a little bit of paint and this sucker is going to look fantastic. I wish I had had the silver silk in stock before I touched these two, or else I would have done them in silver silk. So unfortunately I'm going to do a lot of silver airbrushing to bring these two into fruition, but that's okay. Now, keyword, do you want to see them painted? Comment down below. Again, if you guys enjoyed the content today, I know it's a little bit different than what I normally do, and we did a lot of models this week. If you guys like the format of this video and want to see more like this, let me know down in the comments below so I can know and start gearing towards that way. And I'll see you guys on Friday with my revenge. So, see you guys. Thank you. We'll see you in the next episode.